The National Electrical Code Section 220.3 3-bit addresses specific requirements for branch circuits. This code section states that the ampacity of a branch circuit supplying luminaires, appliances, or receptacles in a dwelling unit shall be determined in accordance with 220.82 or 220.83, except that circuits supplying bathroom receptacle outlet shall not have an ampacity of less than 20 amps. To apply this to a scenario involving a LAN desk with multiple workstations, each equipped with both isolated ground and non-isolated ground outlets, several considerations arise. It is stated that there are 14 outlets on a single 20 amp circuit, with both isolated ground and non-isolated ground outlets. This setup poses a potential violation of NEC section 220.3 3-bit. While the initial calculation might suggest that the circuit isn't overloaded if each outlet draws only 1 amp, resulting in a total load of 14 amps on a 20 amp breaker, the primary concern lies in the simultaneous use of both isolated and non-isolated ground outlets on the same circuit. NEC section 220.83 mandates that the ampacity of a branch circuit supplying loads of different types must be computed by adding the loads together. In practical terms, even if the total amperage draw remains within the 20 amp limit, mixing isolated and non-isolated grounds on a single circuit can introduce complications related to grounding and electrical noise. Isolated ground receptacles are designed to minimize electrical noise by providing a separate grounding path that bypasses the normal grounding system of the building. This is crucial for sensitive electronic equipment that might be susceptible to interference. Non-isolated ground receptacles, on the other hand, connect directly to the building's grounding system. Installing both types of outlets on the same circuit can negate the benefits of the isolated ground system, as any noise present in the non-isolated ground can potentially bleed over to the isolated ground through the shared circuit. The recommendation is to separate the outlets onto 2 distinct circuits, one dedicated to isolated ground outlets and the other to non-isolated ground outlets. This separation ensures compliance with the NEC and promotes a safer and more effective electrical installation. Such a configuration maintains the integrity of the isolated ground system, preventing unwanted noise from interfering with sensitive equipment. Furthermore, it adheres to best practices for electrical safety by avoiding potential conflicts between different grounding schemes. In conclusion, while a single 20 amp circuit might appear sufficient to handle the load of 14 outlets based on amperage calculations alone, the presence of both isolated and non-isolated ground outlets necessitates a more cautious approach. Separating these outlets onto distinct circuits is crucial for compliance with NEC section 220.3 3-bit and for ensuring the proper functioning and safety of the electrical system.